Hi guys, I'm Asnith, and today I am going to be bringing you another raw food video. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how quickly I made my dinner tonight. You guys, I have to be honest with you. I was already chomping on part of my dinner. So hopefully if you see any green things in my teeth, green stuff, it's because I already started. I was like, let me hold on and make this video so I can show you guys how easy this is, okay? So tonight I am having nori rolls. I've been craving salt all day. And this is one of the ways you deal with those cravings at times. Sometimes people will resort to having chips to get that salty craving. This is another way you can get it, guys. Just a little healthier, okay? All right, so for this meal tonight, first thing you're going to need is nori sheets, guys. So what I like to do with my nori sheets is soften them with vinegar. So I'm going to do that first before I tell you the rest of the ingredient. I already have a little bit on these. I'm just going to add a little bit more to give you an idea. I like to sprinkle it on these sheets. And then I like to just rub it in. It just softens it before I put my salad on it. Okay. So in addition to the nori sheets, I like to use cucumbers, avocado, tomato, spinach, and green onions. I got to find them, guys. This is how you can tell, like, I'm not a real chef. You see these green onions? They holding on tonight. I chopped them up and they were like, whoa. All right, so green onions and also carrots, guys. I didn't even feel like chopping up carrots. I just threw it in my food processor and voila, okay? So now I'm going to make it. I like to start with the avocado on the bottom. So I spread that on evenly on the bottom. Next thing I like to put, and with the avocado, you can put as much as you like. Sometimes it's just hard to close it if you put tons because you're going to be adding more stuff, okay? So I like to start with avocado. Then I like to use my cucumbers. So I put about 3 of those in there. And then I take my spinach. And I don't know what it is about spinach, guys. I've been into spinach lately. So I'm going to take my spinach. Got to get back on track. And after I add that, I'm going to add my tomatoes. To me, this is really what makes this nori pop more than usual. And then after that, I'm going to put my green onions on top. And then I like to finish it off with a little bit of sprinkled carrots on there. Okay, guys, so it's already good, but I'm going to go from making it good to best. So now I'm going to take the rice vinegar and I like to sprinkle that on top of the salad as well. In addition to the rice vinegar, I like to take the organic shoyu, which is nothing more than soy sauce. You want to use this sparingly, okay? Because it has salt in it. A good amount of salt in it. So you want to use that sparingly. You want to sprinkle some of that on top. Give it some flavor. The next thing I like to add is soy sauce. No, I'm sorry, I said soy sauce. It's sesame oil. Some people do not like to put oil on their food. Guys, I love to put oil on my food. I just try to make sure I buy it as pure as possible. So you're gonna put that on top. And the secret kick butt ingredient is red pepper flakes. I'm gonna finish it off with some red pepper flakes. Then I'm going to take that nori roll and fold it. Now remember, it was already a little moist because I had vinegar on it. Oh, wait a minute, guys. My tomato fell out. Okay, so I want to show you the finished product. Isn't that beautiful, guys? Some soy sauce on the side, but isn't that just so beautiful? So I was already working on one, guys. I was like, it was so hard to stop eating and do this video. Because I just was chomping down. That is so good. All right, guys. So I wanted to bring this video in 5 minutes or less. I got about 5 seconds. So this is, well, it's going to go over 5. All right, so this was an easy meal to make, guys. Even to get this ready took me less than 5 minutes. So if you're coming home and you're like, oh my God, what am I going to cook tonight? Don't. Follow my recipe and you'll love that you did, guys. So if you would add anything, let me know. If you would change anything, let me know. Until next time, have a great taste.